Hello, welcome to my channel today. Today I'll be showing us some simple and perfect mobile video editing apps that you can use to edit your videos for your channel, your comedy skits, whatever. One very nice with all nice features that you can use to edit your videos. You also have this the PC version of it, laptop version, so you can also download the laptop version, and it gives you amazing features that you can use to crop your video and make it look professional. So here is the app. I'll show you how to get it on Play Store. Where is my Play Store? Yes, Play Store. Go to Play Store and you go to the search box and you look for Filmora Go. Okay, you can see it right there, this Filmora Go free video editor. So you click on it, click on Filmora Go. When it pops up, you can see I have it already, and my own is showing on the store and open here. So if you've not gotten it, your own will be showing the store here, like my own is showing on the store, your own will show the store. So what you do is just you install it and wait for it to load, and that is all. So thanks for that, you get that. Then let me show you how the interface looks like. So here come, and you can see the icon here, Filmora Go. You click on it, you can see it right there. It's opening. Beautiful, it has opened. Okay, it has opened. You can see create new video, and you can see my saved projects. So here the only thing you need to do is to click on your create new projects. Here is my saved projects. These are some works I've done, some I'm still working on. They are saved here. So when I want to continue, just to click on my saved project and I'll continue working on some of them. And here is your new video. So you click on it, click on your new video, and it takes you down to your files on your phone, and you can load any particular video or any video at all. Let me see. This is a video, right? Let me say click on this. Okay, for example, okay, you can see trim clip. Okay, so you want to load it, to the gallery where you start editing your work. So here you can trim it, or if there's any part or you don't want to be part of the video, you can trim it. You can resize it here or here to any part. So let's say I want to just take this part, I'll take it this way and I'll click on add. Okay, click on add. All right, so I can go back, take another video. I've added one, come here, this is another video. Okay, I can come here, this is the part I want in this video. Excuse me. Add it again. You can see right here it's counting. We have 2 videos right there. So just click on next. Okay, click on next and you wait. It's loading.
Let me down.